Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. So the painting you guys are going to see today is kind of a continuation from the last video I did with the swipe and spin. I had a little bit of paint left over from that, so I decided to do a deconstructed bloom. But I don't do deconstructed blooms very often. I mainly just do regular blooms, or I'll do the 3 blooms on a canvas technique. So this is something kind of new that I haven't really done before. But I really like it. I think the deconstructed blooms look so pretty and there's so much movement there that I really like how they always turn out. And I think it's so cute, you guys. Like, I love it. It looks like water lilies floating on the water to me. I'm not too crazy about this horseshoe right here. I kind of wish that wasn't there. If we could just kind of hide that, that would be perfect. But yeah, I'm really liking how it turned out, and I really do like this technique, and I want to try some more deconstructed blooms, maybe kind of bigger ones as well. So yeah, the information about the colors as well as the formula that I use will be in the description box. I also have some online courses that are available on my website, crystalcoastoriginals.com. I have a gradient Dutch pour course, I have a swipe and spin course, and some other like mini courses as well. So if you guys are interested, you could check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.